In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mention individual users or groups of users in Wrike. Whether you're new to Wrike or just looking to enhance your collaboration skills, mentioning users plays an essential role in keeping everyone in the loop and ensuring that important updates reach the right people at the right time. Let's dive into the details so you can start communicating more effectively. First, let's start by mentioning individual users. To do this, you'll want to open up a task, project, or the comment field where you plan on mentioning someone. This could be any area within Wrike where you have the capability to add comments. Once you have the comment field open, start by typing the @ symbol. Immediately following that symbol, begin to type the person's name you wish to mention. For instance, if you want to notify John Smith, you would type @John Smith right into the field. As you continue typing, you'll notice a drop-down list appears that provides suggestions based on the letters you're typing. This drop-down helps ensure you select the correct John Smith if there are multiple users with similar names. Simply click to choose the right person from the list. Once selected, the person's name will appear highlighted in your comment. More importantly, they will receive a notification drawing their attention to the task or project you've tagged them in. This simple yet effective feature ensures that your message is directly received by the intended user. Now, if you want to mention an entire group of users at once, Wrike makes this just as straightforward. Begin by typing the @ symbol again, but this time, follow it with the group's name. For example, if your team is named My Team, you would type @MyTeam into the comment field. Similar to mentioning an individual, after typing the initial letters of the group name, a drop-down will appear. This list allows you to confirm you've selected the correct group out of possibly many. Once the group name is selected, every member within that group will be notified. This is particularly useful in projects where updates or questions need to reach a larger audience simultaneously, saving you time from mentioning each person individually. And that's it! By following these steps, you can efficiently use the mentioning feature in Wrike to enhance communication within your team, ensuring that everyone stays informed and aligned. This feature not only improves workflow efficiency, but also strengthens team collaboration by facilitating smooth and direct communication. So go ahead, start using mentions to keep your discussions relevant and your tasks on track. Thank you for joining me today, and happy collaborating in Wrike.